We're not cooking today, but we're shopping for authentic spices right here in Delhi. At the end, we'll be trying chai and street food. Join me. You're watching Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Warm welcome, this is India's biggest market. And this is where we're shopping for spices. Thank you for joining us today. You are watching Romulo's Kitchen and Garden, and we have an expression name. Rahul. We're in Delhi and we are buying curry for our chicken dishes. So what is chicken, Garam Masala. What else can we buy? Biryani rice.
Biryani rice.
Yeah.
This is good for rice.
What else?
For barbecue rubs. This is tandoori. If I cook my meat lamb. This is
Masala.
Meat, any kind of meat for seafood.
Wait, why do we have separate for curry and meat masala?
A different flavor. All ingredients and proportions is different. This is make more generic mix. Make one kind and use for everything, but that's very special.
For
very
meat.
specific for meat.
Does it matter if I add coconut milk to it?
Yeah, you like coconut milk, add coconut milk. You like tomato sauce, add tomato sauce.
Okay.
Or yogurt, whatever you like, you can add.
Thank you.
Put boiling water, infuse in 5 minutes, add milk and sugar.
Selfie.
And how to make mention on the packet.
Don't leave yet because we're tasting chai or tea, street tea, whispers. Yeah.
Cardamom. So what are the spices around? That's it. Cardamom, I think, but not the masala. Okay, so it's cardamom and ginger.
Cinnamon, clove, pepper.
Although. Making this soon because I bought spices for this thing. Mekos Central. Continue.
That was very quick. So it's just water and peas. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice special sauce.
पता नहीं कहाँ से आपको आपको भी चाय बनानी है ना? रुद्रा भाई चीनी नहीं है, चीनी के लिए भेजा हुआ है। हाँ अभी तो मंगाया मैं इसको। आवाज मार मार के थके हम, गए भाई कोई आएगा चीनी काम कर रहा था ना।
That's ginger.
Yes. तो भाई वीडियो मेरी वायरल कर देंगे। You from sir?
Philippines.
इनको वीडियो में डालो, कल कुछ होगा मैं इनको भी डालो, इसको भी। अकेला क्यों जाएंगे? दोनों भाई चक्की पीसी साहब, दोनों भाई चक्की पीसेंगे ना। दोबारा बनाने वाले हैं। एक ही बार
Wait, wrong side.
भाई साहब
Good. Thank you. We'll be back next week for more of our cooking videos as we grow, cook and share here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Thank you for watching.